Hello guys, welcome to Studio Home, and in today's tutorial we are starting a series on how to model a realistic roof covering in Archicad. Okay, so let's proceed without wasting much of your time. Okay, so in Archicad, before you can achieve this kind of roof in Archicad, this kind of corrugated roofing sheet in Archicad, you can see the gutters, you can see the depth. So before you can achieve this kind of roof and other roof, because other materials, because there are step ties, there are corrugated roofing sheet, and this one is long span aluminum roofing sheet. So before you can achieve this kind of roof, there's a plugin. Okay, there's a plugin known as the Cadimage plugin. Now let me explain to you how this thing works. Okay, if you have Archicad 2025, you need to download Cadimage 2025. Okay, Cadimage for 2025. If you have Archicad 2024, you need to get that one for 2024. And if you have, it depends on the version of the Archicad. So one Cadimage cannot work for all right? So if you're using 2025, 2022, so any of the Archicad version you're using, that's the Cadimage you download. All right, that's the Cadimage you download. So let's say, now how do we install this Cadimage? Okay, because that's the first thing we need to do before we can start modeling this, which is very, very important. All right, so now how do we install this Cadimage? Let's proceed. I got you. Let's proceed without wasting much of our time. So now you go to your browser and then download that particular Cadimage. All right, let's say you've downloaded that particular Cadimage. Go to your browser, type in Cadimage and then download. And if you don't have, you can see the one I have already. This is 2025 because I'm using Archicad 2025. If you know you're using Archicad 2025, or you feel like, okay, if you know you're using Archicad 2025, I have a class. Okay, I have this group where I'll be posting this Cadimage, so you can easily download that particular Cadimage from there. Right, this is what I'm using, so I can assure you that this one is working. And in case you just want to join the class for maybe further, if I get 2024, I can still post that 2024, but for now I have 2025. So if you want to join the class, all right, if you like, okay, you want to join the class, in case there are I'll be dropping some plugins there, and maybe you're interested in those kind of plugins, plugins about SketchUp and also plugins about Archicad. Those are the ones I'll be dropping. That group is just basically for plugins, so that for some plugins like this that will take your time in terms of downloading, you can easily get them on that particular group. It's actually a 3D home class where you get some plugins on where you can use and install to your modeling software. So if you're interested in joining the group, just drop your phone number there. Okay, drop your phone number on the comment. Drop your phone number on the comment. I will pick the phone number from there and then add you to the group. Then from there you can easily download this particular one. This one is for 2025. All right, so let's proceed. So let's say you've downloaded the plugin. All right, now this is the plugin. What next do we do? Let's right click and then extract the plugin. Okay, extract the plugin. So now we are extracting. Once you're done extracting, this is the particular Cadimage. All right, if you double click, you see CI tools, you see CI tools extra, CI tools library 2025, work environment, CI tools version 25 install. These are the things you will see inside, and each of them contains some materials inside. Okay, each of the folder contains some materials inside. Now this is the step one. Okay, step one is to download, step two is to extract. Now let's move to step three. Okay, I hope you're following. Now take this one to one side, okay, because we need to be seeing this. Now let's close this other one. Make sure you're on your desktop like this. Okay, now this is the first one. This is the Cadimage. We've opened that particular. After extracting, this is the tool, this is the folder we've opened. So this is the things we are seeing inside, the content of that folder. Now the next thing to do is go to that particular Archicad that you're using, locate the tool, locate the software, locate the software, and then right click on that particular software. Okay, right click on the particular software and then click on open file location. Okay, click on open file location. Now let's shift this one to this side. This one is our Cadimage. All right, Cadimage tools, the content inside that particular Cadimage after extraction. Okay, this is it. And this one is our Archicad 2025 location where the installed one is. So these are the files inside there. So what next do we do now is go back from the Cadimage. You are seeing CI2. So once you screw up from this Archicad, let me do this again. Just locate your Archicad 2025. If you're using 2024, locate that one, right click and open click on open file location. Okay, this is what you see. Then screw up. All right, this is CI2, okay? Locate CI2 here. This is CI2. So click on this CI2, all right? These are contents. Right click, select everything and then click and copy. Okay, once you copy, come to this particular one. This is CI2. Okay, make sure it's CI2, the same folders, all right? Click on CI2. Now paste this one here. Paste. It will ask you to replace. Me, I've already installed this one, okay, so I don't have to replace again. So once it asks you to replace, click on replace. All right, click on replace. Now let's go back again. Carry this one to back, okay, to this side. We've done with this first one, which is CI2. Okay, now the next one is CI2 extra. Double click on this one, copy everything that is here, right click and copy this one. Then since it's CI2 extra, locate CI2 extra here too. Okay, click on here and then paste. It will ask you to replace. I've already done that here. That is why it's asking me to replace. Paste, and if it's asking you to replace. Okay, all right, because we're upgrading our Archicad so that the Archicad will have Cadimage. Now come back to this side. This is CI2 library. Okay, go back to this one. We are done with CI2. We are done with CI2 extra. This is CI2. This is CI2 extra. Now the next one is showing CI tools library 25. That is Archicad 25. Okay, so now where do we see this one? What we need to do now is we are seeing Archicad 2025 here. All right, so double click inside that folder. This what we have here is CI2 library 25. So locate CI2 library 25 here, double click and open this folder. So this one to double click and open this folder. So copy everything that is here. Okay, copy and then come to this one and then paste here. Okay, it's asking me to replace because I've done that already. So now go back again. Go back. We are going outside now. Okay, remember we click on Archicad library before that one. So now we are done with the first one, second one, the third one. Is remaining work environment. If you check here on this, the ones here at the top, there's no working environment here. If you are seeing it on your own, then that's cool. But if you can't see it, scroll down, or you type in W. This is working environment, start with W. Just type in W. You can see if you click W from here, you can see it will take you to this working work environment. Okay, so click on this one. You're seeing profile and tools. Click on this work environment too. You're seeing profile and tools. So don't copy this one and paste here. Okay, what you need to do now is click on this profile, copy this one from the profile. Okay, come to this other profile, open the profile and then paste it here. Then go back to these tools, go back again to these tools, click on tools, copy this one from tools, click on this tool and then paste it on this tool. Okay, let me show you. Once you copy, come here and then paste. It's asking me to replace because I've done that already. So now go back. Now go back to what now is remaining. What is remaining is this CI2 versus 25 install, and then these three icons. These are the tools. These tools. Okay, these three folders, kind of folders or three things you're seeing. So highlight everything that is here. Okay, make sure you're on this plane where you can see tools, CI tools, CI extract. Okay, yeah, work environment. Just make sure you're here. Okay, the first page, make sure you're here and then copy this one. All right, copy this one, bring it here. Okay, come to this point, right click and then paste. It's asking me to replace because I've done that. So once you're done with this once you're done with replacing or pasting these tools which we extract from Archicad Cadimage, once you're done transferring these things to this Archicad, right, close this one, then refresh. Once you refresh, or you can restart if you wish to, or you refresh, anyone. Okay, but I'll prefer you refresh, right? So once you refresh and you click on your Archicad, you see this CI2, this thing is going to appear. Okay, it's going to appear on your Archicad. So from here now, let's quickly change this. Let's change this one. So once you click on the material and you click on Cadimage, you click on this covering. Okay, this will be our next. We'll talk more on this on our next tutorial. Okay, today is how to install. So once you click on covering, you click on roof covering. From roof covering, based on the settings I've done, okay, if I click on OK now, you'll see that this thing will basically transform to this long span aluminum roofing sheet plus a water collector here. You can see water collector here. Okay, though I set the color to be dark, that's why you're seeing it like this. So once you're done, you see this tool appearing here. Okay, you see it here, you see the plugin here, and then from here now you can start settings. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure that you get the card image first, okay, before we proceed deep into this particular one, so that as you learn you can practice. All right, so like I said earlier, I've created a group, okay? 3D home class. 3D home class is for free. Believe me, it's for free. So the only thing, what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to see that you easily get some of these plugins, all right? So that I'm trying to make a way where you can easily get some of these plugins, the ones I've used, the ones I'm using that I know that they're working, okay? You can easily get them there. And if you're interested in, I have 2025 plugin, card image 2025. So if you're using Akika 2025, just drop your number on the comment section, okay? I will add you to the group, and then from there you can download this particular one that I have straight to your phone, and then transfer it to your system. Or if you're using system, you can just download it straight to your system and then use it this same method and then install it to your Archicad, okay? I just want the work to be easier for you guys, all right? So thank you for your time. And okay, so that some people don't feel like they are left behind. If you don't have Archicad 2025, okay, 2025, maybe you're using Archicad 2024 or 2022, okay, just go online, type the cat image. If you're using 2024, type cat image for 2024 or cat image 2024. If you're using 2022, type the cat image 2022, okay. Once you download, it's the same method you will use, okay. Use extract and then use that same method, and believe me, you'll see it here. All right, you'll see it here, and then from here now we can proceed, okay. I believe that you guys will install that one, and then on our next tutorial I'll start teaching you guys how to set these ones. All right, so thank you once again for your time, thank you for your patience, and see you on our next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop your comment.